Hello, this is the Orange Giraffe. This is the Orange Giraffe Hunter. It is a leftover RC tank chassis with DC motors from Amazon, mounted with two ping sensors on the front. Their job is, if it gets close to something, even if the camera doesn't pick it up, to stop the tank from running things over, like into walls. Okay, this is the PixyCam. It has the pan and tilt mechanism built in. It is there for color detection, and it is programmed to look for the orange in the orange giraffe. The rest of the tank is a battery underneath. The Pixy is only good for up to 10 volts maximum, so we can't put a 11 or 12 volt LiPo in there. In there right now is a 7.4 volt LiPo. That powers the camera, and it powers the motors through the H-bridge. And there is a Arduino Uno for right now. It's powered also by the battery. Tapped off at the 5 volts is what feeds to the ping sensors. So, and we also have a voltage indicator, voltmeter, just keep an eye on the battery. So let's see how it works. So there's the orange giraffe. We have the tank right here. I'm going to turn the power on and kind of point him in the general direction of the orange giraffe, just for fun, just to watch him track the first time. There he goes. He found him, and he stops in front of him. This time the orange giraffe is by the camera, and you can see the tank is perpendicular to the orange giraffe, so he's going to have to take some time and look for him. So we're going to turn this on. So the tank has to go find him. So the Pixy camera doesn't see him in front, doesn't have enough range in the angle. So he found him. So look around, and there he goes. He found him, and he stops 6 inches before he runs into him. That was pretty cool. Okay, so the orange giraffe is still sitting next to the camera. I'm going to take the tank and have him at the other side, so he has to look around. And so he's going to be put over here, and he's going to be about perpendicular too. It's going to have to find that giraffe. So here he goes. He's starting to look for it. He doesn't see it that side. Goes side to side, and he hones in, and he found it. So he stopped beforehand. So what I'm going to do this time is, I've been stopping him to give you the camera angle view, but so this time I'm going to turn the battery on and then set it down and get a different angle so you can see. He's going to start panning, looking for it, homed into it, and the ping sensor detected that drawer, so it stopped it there. Well, what we can do is just pick him up and move him over here, and he doesn't see it. So where'd it go? And he found it. Pretty cool. Okay, for this run I'm going to make it a little bit more challenging, a little bit further away, and we're going to put him down on the ground here, at not really aiming at it, but kind of in the right way. Let's see what he does. He found it. And he stops in front of it.